Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make immune booster drink using three ingredients. It's one of the best tea for a burning chest after meals, bloated stomach, gastric problem, indigestion, constipation, and also boost your immune system naturally. So let's get started. First we have to dry roast the ingredients. Black cumin, also called Kalonji or Nigella seeds, 2 tablespoons. Ajwain, also called Omam or caraway seeds, 2 tablespoons. Fennel seeds, also called Sombu, 2 tablespoons. Dry roast these ingredients on a low heat for about a minute. If you often suffer from common cold, flu or any type of infection of the respiratory tract, then you may regularly take this drink. This drink helps to cure muscular pain and a weak nervous system. Boil it well in 2 cups of water till it reduces to half the quantity. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels and blood pressure. It increases the appetite for those who are suffering from loss of appetite. Fennel seeds are a wonderful source of vitamin C and rich in fiber, and also it promotes weight loss. Now our immune booster drink is ready. Remove from the stove, strain it and serve it hot. Have this tea regularly for overall well-being. Do try this recipe and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Happy cooking!